So this is a Feijoa plant from Brazil. It's a woody shrub. It's actually really beautiful. I mean, it's got this light brown bark, nice branching pattern, these deep green leaves that are kind of shiny. And you might be able to tell, but this is actually evergreen. In the middle of winter, it keeps its leaves, and even here we're in zone 7B, and it gets pretty cold. It gets down to around 10 degrees and sometimes even down to 0 Fahrenheit. And this plant does just fine. Unfortunately though, haven't had it fruit yet, but the fruits are really, really delicious. And I think it will fruit because just 3 hours south of here, it fruits heavily. That's where I got this plant from. So it hasn't flowered, hasn't fruited yet. So it's still kind of an experiment right now, but it does grow and it is a really nice plant. And if I can get it to flower, I'll get probably tons of fruit because it's been years since I planted this, and it's a really healthy shrub. But the fruit tastes like guava. It's called pineapple guava. It's a type of, I don't know if it's exactly botanically considered a guava, but it's very, very similar to one. But yeah, a really great plant to grow if you want some, like a taste of the tropics and colder climates. And I bet it would even grow even colder, in even colder climates than here. Man, those buds always look like flowers are about to come, but it just grows into more leaves. This is the Feijoa, pineapple guava. As far as propagation, I've tried in the spring to take, when I prune it, to try to root those, and that hasn't worked. So if you want to try to propagate this plant, I would try softwood. So once these this new wood, softwood, gets a little bit longer, maybe if it has a couple more nodes on it, I would stick it in some rooting hormone and maybe try like a misting system on it. Or you could try it without it, but I just haven't had any success so far rooting anything with wood, like old wood on it. So you want to probably try green growth. All right, thanks for watching, and hit subscribe if you want to have more tips on growing interesting plants in colder climates. Thanks for watching.